Understanding the phrase, make it up to you. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase in English, make it up to you. Understanding such phrases is crucial for effective communication in English, and today, we're going to break it down for you. So, let's get started. The phrase, make it up to you, is often used when someone wants to apologize or rectify a mistake they've made. It means that the person acknowledges their mistake and wants to do something to compensate or make amends for it. This phrase shows responsibility and a desire to fix a wrong. 1. Apologies. If someone misses an important event, they might say, I'm sorry I missed your birthday party. Let me make it up to you by taking you out for dinner. 2. Rectifying mistakes. In a work context, if a colleague makes an error, they might offer, I realize I miscalculated these figures. I'll make it up to you by redoing the report tonight. 3. Rebuilding relationships. It's also used in personal relationships, like, I know I've been distant lately. Let me make it up to you with a weekend getaway. Formal versus informal. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings, but the way of making it up might differ. In formal settings, it might involve a more tangible action, like redoing a task. Whereas, in informal settings, it could be a gesture like a small gift or a special favor. Cultural considerations. Different cultures might interpret and accept this phrase differently. In some cultures, making up for a mistake is expected, while in others, a simple apology might suffice. Be sincere. Only use this phrase if you genuinely intend to make amends. Follow through. Ensure that you actually do what you've promised to make up for your mistake. Be mindful of the situation. Gauge the seriousness of the situation and offer a suitable way to make it up. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, make it up to you, effectively in your English conversations. Remember, it's not just about the words, but the sincerity and actions behind them that count. Keep practicing, and you'll be a pro at English idiomatic expressions in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.